just came to life.
Oh.
My video. Just to get him while he's sitting here.
Okay.
So thank you. Hi. Hi, Bubba. And this is Stella peeking around. Hi, Stella. You're so gentle and sweet, and you offered us the perfect dog test. Thank you, Stella. Hi, Mac. Hi, Mac. Hi, Mac. Hi, Mac. Sit. Sit, Mac. Sit. Good boy. Thank you very much. Okay, take care. Really appreciate it. Wow, he was like, that's one big dog. And he did not bark. He didn't lunge. Wow. And he was nose to nose right here with Stella. And my camera froze. So at the very last minute, I was able to delete a couple of videos and get that. That was like the perfect dog-to-dog test because Stella was safe and they were touching noses. He's not guapo. He's not like, hey, I want to lick you. But he's not aggressive. He was wagging in a nice way. I think you saw everything, just a tiny little glimpse of it, though. It was quite impressive. Actually, she startled me and him, and he didn't react to that either. So, a lot of positive information right there. We've passed like 5 dogs, by the way, and he has not so much as lunged nor barked at any of them. Okay, well, that's where Stella lives. Come on, Mr. Boy. Yeah, good boy. Good Mac. Okay, time to go back. I love you.